Hello people, my name is Astronaut and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna make scripts here, and for scripting, scripts are basically programs, but not really programs, they're automation that doesn't require any input and it will do something automatically. With that in mind, we're gonna choose select editor, alright? Now some scripts use programs itself that are already made, or tools. So we're gonna use Nano, I like to use Nano. I believe Vim is better for Python, but for right now, I'm gonna use Nano. All right. Now for this Nano, we're gonna go to our CD root here. I'm gonna do desktop. You don't have to do this, but I want to put it here. And I want to name it scripts. So no. Now I want to go to the desktop. Then I'll make a script. And for that, I'll just do scripts. As you see here, it should be. Oh, well, I haven't typed anything yet, so I gotta put exclamation mark behind or in front of a hashtag. Use bash, and inside the user bin bash, which is user yourself actually. Use user bin, and then this bash here. That bash, it could be anything. It could be Python, it could be Java, it could be Python 3. But for right now, I'm gonna use bash here. I'm gonna show you Python later. Use bash here, and basically, with this is different. You can echo something. So if I do echo hello world here. Very simple. It's not even a script even, but it is a script if you think about it. It's sort of in the middle, not sure, but we're gonna go and we're going to be making this script executable. Okay, but Bash is usually scripts here, so that's why it's a scripting language, and it's not a programming language. And we're gonna go here, and we're gonna use the chmod, which is the default on any Linux platform, plus X for executable, and then put the script's name. Once you have the script's name, you can run it. How do you run? You dot slash and then put the script's name. Hello world. All right. Now for this, we're gonna go back and we're actually gonna make this a little bit more intricate. All right. Go here, delete everything, and we're gonna make a while. Now whiles, as I said on Python, are pretty useful, and for bash it's different. It's while true do, and for this we're also gonna put indent it, and then what we're gonna do is if you want to put lines of code. Now over here you can do anything. All right, I'm gonna use echo, and I'm gonna say packets, and packets here. I want it to sleep for 5 seconds so it isn't messy. Now what we want to do is it's gonna sleep for 5 seconds. So after we print packet, we are going to stop, and then we're gonna run a command here. All right. Now you can use anything. I'm gonna use the ifconfig, which is already default in Linux. You can use aircrack, mfsconsole, ARP spoofing, basically any program that you have in user bin. So basically any terminal program you can use, and you can configure it. Imagine it as you using a terminal, but with lines of code. Now we're gonna do here. We're gonna grep our X, which is our packets here. Now with that, after you put your script here with the while, which is usually what scripts use, we're going to exit, and we're gonna go here and we're gonna run your script. Now this here, you can see mine is working perfectly. Yours won't be like this. Yours will be completely different. But as you can see, it does work. We have approximately 1,000,000 9,206. No, it's 19,000,000 2,604 983. So that's a lot of packets with 15,148 packets. Those are the bytes actually. Those converts to 18.3 megabytes. So as you can see here is the download stuff. It will go higher. This is for Etho. But you see I'm not downloading anything. As you can see, it's gonna go that, and basically what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make it completely different. I'm gonna use Python for this. So we're gonna none of the scripts here, and we're gonna delete all of this that we just made, alright? Because we want to now use I guess you cannot delete like that, huh? You can't. Alright, well, we're gonna delete it like this. As you can see, it's virtual machine, so it's very slow. Alright, now I'm gonna use Python. If you just use Python, it's gonna use all Python. We should probably use Python 2, but we're gonna use Python 3, right? Now with that, we're gonna do, I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to try. Tries are also very important scripts here. I'm gonna indent it here. And basically what I'm gonna put is I'm gonna put this variable. You can name it to anything you want. Variable, and then I'm gonna put it to float. All right. Now with float, I want it to print, or not print, input. Input. And then I'm gonna go here. Input. Now I'm gonna go and I put two of these. This isn't like PyCharm, it won't do it automatically. That's the thing about this terminal, but this also will work on PyCharm. Bash is in terminal, which is the reason why I'm over here doing it via terminal. So we're gonna go and we're gonna put number. All right, with this number, we're gonna try. It's saying try this. Try this line of code right here. All right. Anything under it, don't try. But we're gonna try this. All right. Now we're gonna print our variable. Now, what if this moron over here, such as me, does not insert a number? He enters a letter or something. Maybe misclick or anything, right? Well, we want to accept it. Accept that type error. It is a type. It's in a category and it's error. So type error as error. All right. Now we're going to print invalid. That's the thing a lot of scripts use. All right. A lot of program uses too. But we're gonna use it as a script here. So it's gonna print invalid. I should make the all caps actually, since it is terminal. Invalid. All right. Save that. Come out of it, and we're gonna run it. And number, I'm gonna put D. As you can see here, it's gonna be just make it first. Calls fire for margin variable equals float number. Value error. So it isn't type error. It's a value error since the number is a value. So we'll go over here. And as you see, that's what happens. That's what happens in the script. If it now obviously put the value here as error. You can also print the error. I think you can lines of code here doing something else if you want. But it isn't type errors actually. Value errors. We use scripts here. During the handle spreadsheet. Okay, so for terminal use, it will always put that, which is unbelievably stupid. But so I guess we got to do now. I'm going to go to my PyCharm, my Python. All right. I don't really see my code, so I'll just blur it out for a second. These are my code and source codes. We'll use our tutorial that we used in last episode. So I'll open that. Okay, so we're here now. As you can see, pretty cool, pretty awesome. Full screen here. I'm gonna do try here. Use input variable. I guess we could do rule equals float input. And I'm gonna put number. All right. Now, if I'm correct, we're going to be printing rule. Now for terminals, it's gonna print that always. So I think it's accept value error as error. All right. Now as error. Okay. Now we're gonna print invalid. As you can see, I type much more faster here because a virtual machine is very slow, so I gotta wait a little bit. So we're gonna save here. Now we're gonna run the tutorial. All right, number 23. So it's gonna print 23 here as a number. The all this stuff I'm typing in right here, it doesn't. Password 33. Password. Okay, maybe it's 43. Password. Nope. Okay, whatever. Enter sentence 23. Enter number. Okay, we have a number here. D. Invalid. So it won't print. As you can see here, For terminal use, it's always gonna print that. It's kind of dumb. I didn't expect that. I thought it only happened for like Python, but apparently inside Linux, or not for Python, for Windows. When Linux happens too. Invalid here, but what if we don't do the except? Look what happens. What do I do? Oh, I already detects it. See? I already detects it, alright? So basically, that's the way you can do it. And instead of printing invalid, you can do a whole bunch of stuff, like put different code here, socketing, math, algebraic, all that stuff you could do, alright? But as you see here in the terminal, always show that. It kind of sucks because they can actually see your source code. If this, such as this, a file and variable equals this, it kind of sucks. But whatever it is Linux, okay? And that is how you make your own scripts, all right? Very simple, all right? If you already know Python and you already know Bash, it's scripts will be complex, but it will be not too vigorous for you. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.